Hello everyone, this is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter. Today I'll be unboxing and giving you an overview to the JBL Harman Link 20 voice-activated portable speaker. You can give it some commands that start with OK Google, like play some jazz or set a 13-minute timer for pizza. Got any number of commands that you can give. Some features of this product: has Google Assistant, 2.4 and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi support, Bluetooth, 10 hours of playtime, IPX7, that means it's waterproof, and it also works with Chromecast Built-in, allows casting from compatible audio apps on your smartphone or tablet, and multi-room playback across speakers that have Chromecast built-in. So you could get multiples of these, link them together with Google Assistant and Chromecast, and play in multiple rooms in your home. Now we'll get to the unboxing. I like the box, has a magnetic closure, that's cool. Padded foam insert to make sure the speaker is okay during shipping. So here's the speaker itself. Get this out of the bag here. There we go. So here's the speaker itself. Has a nice black grill. Here is the power button. So you just hold it down. Shows you the power level of the battery. Has, like I said, 10 hours of playback time. Okay, down here is the covered charging port. It's micro USB, so you probably have a cable for that already. Here's the front and the sides as well. All the buttons on top, very well, easily accessible. So there's 5 buttons up here. Speakers are included in this part here. Now we'll go further inside the box, see what other accessories they give us. Obviously the unit has to be charged, so JBL included a 5-volt wall charger right here. It's got the flip down wall charger plug and USB type A port. This is 2.3 amps at 5 volts. So this will actually charge a tablet as well if you need a travel charger. And then going further inside this box, you have the flat cable. We like that. They include the micro USB. Then if you need to plug it in, you can plug it in either way. We like that. And then the micro USB port right there. It's a flat cable, so that fits nicely in your travel bag. And then if you need to, they have some documentation about the Link 20. So this is the JBL Link 20 speaker with Chromecast support. It does multiple room connection with Chromecast, and it has Google Assistant. It's also wireless, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. This is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. Thanks.